Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can optimize your AI car driving on crossroads or curves. So let's go. First of all, we will be using the AI path calculation as well as the speed control from previous episodes. Of course, link is in the description. So first of all, we will open up the vehicle advanced pawn here. As you can see, we have our get path function where we control the steering. So let's open this up. The first optimization is what we calculating. In this case, you can see I add up this arrow here. So it's pretty simple. We go to the viewport and add an arrow, this one here. And basically, since this is the parent class here, I created some child classes. In my case, I created some cars here, as you can see, the box car, sedan, sports car, SUV. So let's, for example, take a look on the sedan here, open him up. Pretty simple, nothing in the event graph since this is the child of the vehicle advanced pawn here. But we have the arrow, and it's very important to put the arrow exactly on the steering axle, as you can see. And then when we go back to the vehicle advanced pawn here, to the get path function, we just need to add the arrow here to the target of the get word location. So this means the steering is located from this arrow here. So we will exactly stare at the steering axle here. The second thing is the road itself. So let's go to the road here, as you can see. This is just a road part, a blueprint actor, just a static mesh, as you can see. So we have a box collision with a spline. In this case, it's a straight road, so we don't have to do anything else. And we have the event graph, which is just going from the on component begin overlap, cast to the vehicle advanced pawn class as a parent class, and set the active path to the spline itself. Pretty simple, and on the straight road we don't have to do anything else. We can adjust the speed control from previous tutorials. On a crossroad we have a straight line and a curve. Of course you can add up as many as you want. Another example would be this right curve road here, where we come from here and go to this way, and from here and go to this way here. This is a special case, so to optimize this, let's go to the event graph. As you can see, we have basically the same. We have the box collision, where we cast to our advanced pawn vehicle. Then we set the active path to the spline. But in this case, we have to cast to the vehicle movement component. We want to set the brake input to 1. Then we have a delay of 1 second. And then we set it back to 0. So this means we brake for 1 second to reduce the speed in a curve. Let's say the curve is much bigger than this. In this case, you would set the target gear as well for the curve to reduce the speed in the curve. But this is basically it, so that you can drive smoothly around the curves. So let's see how this works. When we hit play, we have the AI car, so I just put the auto pauses to this car here. And as you can see, he slows down at the curve. There's another curve, so he is speeding up to his target speed of this road here. There comes the curve. You hit the brake, drive the curve, go straight again and speed up. Great. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know, and yeah, goodbye.